What's up everyone, welcome to my channel and it's Tech Infomania. Today I am going to unbox Alcatel MoveBand Display. It says that keep your style moving. This model is having a display, and before the model was without display. And it says that sports activity tracking, steps tracking, calories and sleep monitoring. And it's having a little long display. And if we move to the other side of box, it says connect your MoveBand display using your smartphone, analyze your activity, set goals, notifications, all from this simple easy to use app. And available for iOS and Android. And we move to the other side, it says that activity monitoring statics, dedicated app, and notifications through vibrations, and the connectivity is Bluetooth 4.0. It's dust and water resistant, and this thing is not that good. It's only 5 days standby time. Well, I think that smart band should have at least 10 days standby time of battery. Anyway, going to unbox this Alcatel MoveBand display, and let's see what are the things that we are getting in this box. So Alcatel MoveBand display, it's having a little long display if we compare it with the Xiaomi Mi Band 2, and always every device is having a manual that is a quick start guide, and we supposed to read this start guide, but we never used to read this anyway. So I'm going to put this away and I will read it later. Just checking how to charge this MoveBand display from Alcatel. And this is the band, beautiful looking band, and this is the charging dock that will use to charge my Alcatel MoveBand display. Let me take off this band from the box. And this is the Alcatel MoveBand display, stainless steel. As you can see, it's written Alcatel, looking beautiful. And that 2-point is for the charging, from which we are going to connect the charging dock with that. So my Alcatel MoveBand display is ready to wear it, and let me peel off this protector. And this band must not be charged, so I will have to charge it first. Okay, going to check it and going to charge it. Let's see how it's going to charge and how the way we are going to charge this MoveBand display. Okay, I got my charger and I am going to charge this my MoveBand display from Alcatel. Well, I have read the guide then how to connect this charging dock with the Alcatel MoveBand display, and going to show you. So finally my Alcatel MoveBand display is charged enough that I am going to operate it a little and going to show you how the display is look like. So this is the display of Alcatel MoveBand display, and you can see that it's a little long display if we compare it with the Xiaomi Mi Band 2, and almost the price same of Alcatel MoveBand display and Xiaomi Mi Band 2. So this is having many activities, and I'm going to use it for a few days, and then we'll come back with the another video that I'm going to review this band, how to connect this band with the Bluetooth with mobile phone, and how are the notifications working, and many more things that in this Alcatel MoveBand display. So this was the video of unboxing Alcatel MoveBand display, and thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my channel if you like to have a tech videos and ROM flashing videos. Take a good care of yourself, and see you in next video. Till then, goodbye.